with Lawn Dude here, shooting another vehicle on my way to another site. I know a lot of people who actually do wonder why most of my videos are when I'm driving or traveling to other sites. Well, that goes with the point that I'm coming across today. I'm gonna make it short and sweet. My points today are things to expect as a business owner, or at least for me, because I look at it like this. It's gonna be different for all of us. We all run our businesses differently, and things are gonna work differently for the next guy from how they may work for me. I know for me, one thing I learned quickly is you get what you put into it. And what I mean by that is if you spend 5 minutes a day trying to advertise, maybe a couple minutes like turning a screwdriver on a lawnmower, well, that's what you're going to get out of your business. You're going to get almost no type of feedback from that advertisement if you're spending 5 minutes a day on it. If you're spending even, just a few minutes in your business or a couple hours a day, that's pretty much part-time. That is part-time, if that. So you're going to get a part-time business. When you're full-time in this business, it's non-stop. The personal and business life balance is rough. And one thing to know is you gotta have strong people around you. I thank God for my family. My wife and kids, they deal with a lot with me running this business. You're getting emails and calls and stuff around the clock. Even when you put business hours up, you still getting contacted. I know for me, one thing that helped me out was I went to virtual a couple years ago, where pretty much 90% of my business is emails and text through Yardbook, because I use Yardbook. So basically, when the kids go to sleep at night, that's when I'm up emailing. And as a business owner, most will know you really don't sleep anyways, because you got a lot on your mind. And that's just how it is for me. I'm used to it. I'll respond to emails, send out quotes, all those type of things. Another thing you should understand, that as a business owner of a lawn company, you're either gonna have to learn how to work on stuff, or you're gonna have to spend a lot of money in the shop. I've been blessed, honestly. When I knew I was gonna be I wanted to do this for a living, while I was still working at my last job before I became full-time for myself, I took a small engine course. So I do all my own repairs. It is a pain in the butt sometimes when you work the whole day out in the hot sun. You're tired, but you got a mower that you need to get ready for the next day, or a trimmer that has something wrong with it. You're laying up underneath it a lot of the night trying to get it working, but it's a lot better than repair bill. For me, like when it comes to small engines, I do all the work on that. I do a lot of the maintenance, if not all the maintenance on the vehicles, as far as oil and brakes, simple stuff. If it's more complicated and real time consuming, I have a shop for that. I do have a good connection, a good shop who actually takes care of us real well. That's another thing. You better make sure you have some connections. But as a business owner, it's not all peaches and cream, as a lot of people make it seem like it is. There's a lot of YouTube videos out here that just show the good things, not the back end. They don't show the, staying in the shop, grinding blades, make sure your blades are sharp. They don't show, dealing with labor and employment. They don't show you out in the hot sun working to get stuff done, and then you have customers trying to contact you and ask you 1,000,001 questions, or customers who come out and they just want to know what's going on with their property, and you're obligated to stop and talk to them a lot of times. Like, these are all things that are not shown, but there's a lot to expect. But anyone can do it. I still advise you to go ahead and try to do it. It's great. It's great when you when you look at the big picture, I know for me, it allows me the flexibility with my family, and that's important to me. We are a family first company, and we always will be. And running a business allows me that time. When you short on bills, when you're working from 9 to 5, it's like there's but so much you can do. There's but so many hours you can work, and you still gonna need to pay that bill. I feel like when you're running a business, it's okay. That just means I gotta sell more jobs. Simple as that. I know some people say, "Oh, you make that sound so simple." Well, anybody that knows, in the springtime, you're doing your job right, and you're doing a great job, you're getting a lot of calls, you're getting a lot of emails, to the point where you should be turning down a lot of these jobs. I know starting out, maybe not so much, because you're trying to build a name, and you do take on a lot of crap properties. Been there, done that. But as long as you're doing great work, a lot of you're providing great services, you show great customer service. That's important to me. Customer service, my follow-up is very important to me. As long as you're doing these things, and most importantly, putting God first, you'll be A-okay out here. But that's my little 2 cents worth for today. Y'all take it easy.